Do you want to know how you can log in to your Netus AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netus AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, then search for Netus AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the login portal of Netus AI, or else you can click on this second link which will take you to the official page of Netus AI, and then you can see try for free over here. Click on this and you can see this is for signing up for Netus. Now to log in, go ahead and click login. Write down your email address over here, click sign in, and then you can see that they have sent you an authentication code on your email. Go ahead and write down the code sent by Netus AI which you can find on your email, and then click sign in after you keep the authentication code. This way you can sign in using your email address. If you want to sign in using your Google, go ahead and click sign in with Google, enter your email, then press confirm, and then you can see that you have been signed in to your Netus AI account. Now you can start summarizing and paraphrasing the sentences quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Netus AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.